eto ampamaranana mitodika aminao olon'Andriamanitra aho. Tara ny FFKM ho ireo mpanao politika satria tsy namaly ny antso tamin'ny fotoana niantsona azy. Aza taitra ianao olon'Andriamanitra, tsy zava-baovao izany. Tamin'ny andron'i Jesosy nisy nilaza koa fa tara Jesosy tsy tonga tamin'ny fotoana nantenena na hatongavany dia maty Lazarosy. Enoy tsara ty hira ty. 4 days later no anarany, ny mpihira dia ramatoa Karen Peck ao amin'ny vondrona Bill Gaver. Tsy natao ho an'ny olon'izao tontolo izao izany hira izany, satria tsy omena ny alika ny zava-masina satria ho viravirainy. Mijery ihany ny olon'izao tontolo izao fa tsy mahita. Miaino ihany izy fa tsy mahare satria maloto ny fony. Toy izao ny izany tononkira izany. Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him. He still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you have waited so long, but his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great? When he's 4 days late, he is still on time. My God is great. When he's 4 days late, he is still on time. Dika ny teny malalaka, raha tonga ara-potoana ianao Jesosy Tompo, afaka nanasitrana any Lazarosy ianao. Kanefa tara efatrandro ianao vao tonga, de very ny fanantenana. Tsy azonay mihitsy Tompo nahoana ianao noho ny andry ela. Ny lalan'ny Tompo, tsy lalantsika, tsy lalako, tsy lalanao. Tsy mahatalanjona ve fa na dia tara efatrandro aza Jesosy, mbola tonga ara-potoana ihany. Lehibe ny Andriamanitro, na dia tara efatrandro aza izy, tonga ara-potoana ihany.
Please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wondered why. The death watch was over, buried 4 days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Martha ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him, he'd still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you've waited so long, but his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand. He's been there 4 days. The gravestone was rolled back. Then Jesus cried, Lazarus, come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You cried to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not appeared. Friend, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same.
rehefa to